Good morning friends, this is your Dr. Bapuji alias Dr. BP. Today we are going to talk about differentiation. Differentiation integration is like a sea, there is no end actually. Then the differentiation, how it comes means what, using limits we have to write, that is I am not talking today, that we take later in school level studies. Now just differentiation formula, basic formula, later we go for problems, important problems from 10th, that is plus 1, plus 2 level, degree level problems, all problems, how to attack differentiation. Initially we can start. Then we go for later what problems. Then how it arrives actually, basically that I will tell you. Actually differentiation means what, they will write always d by dx. D by dx means what, just operator. It's a meaningless. Suppose here any fellow is there, this is differentiate with respect to x. If it is not there means what, no meaning, just operator. Suppose here y means what, y differentiate with respect to x. X is variable, y is what, y is a function of x. Y is what, independent variable, x is dependent variable. So dy by dx. Sometimes they may ask dy by dt means what, t is variable, dy by dm means what, m is variable. Like so, who is the variable, d by, this is just operator. So with nothing is there means what, meaningless. With operator we can't. In this operator we can operate by some function, means I can get some results. So from this actually normally they will write y is equal to f of x. Then they will tell dy by dx. Some people denoted dy by dx. Then that is equal to f dash x. Some people they will tell y dash r. Some people they tell y1. This y dash r, y prime. Some actually mechanical engineers are, but what, y dot also they will notations. You can write dy by dx or y dash or y1, y dot means what, that is what is a variable, that is with respect to. In parametric I may use this, I will tell you later. This is different notations they will use. F means what, f dash, y1 or y2 means what, second derivative, or y double prime or y double dot. So in different notations they will use. Now usually this is the different notations I will use. Now we go for the formulas. How the formulas prove is, that is different method. In limits they will use. Suppose y is equal to f of x, then y dash r dy by dx. If you want find means what, they actually limit, they will tell actually limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This is the differentiation formula. Correct or not? This is different. Using limits we do lot of things are there. Now I am not dealing with the limits, just I will go for directly formula only. Formula how this directly, then I will go. Now I will give the formulas. Suppose y is equal to constant. There is no, now I am still initially I will start is what, y is a function of x, you can treat. Y is a constant means what, there is no x, purely y is equal to 2. Then dy by dx, what you will get, dy by dx is equal to 0. Correct or not? Suppose y is equal to e to the power of x, then you will get dy by dx is equal to what, ex only. Then y is equal to x to the power of n, then dy by dx what you will get, n will come front side, n x to the power of n minus 1. One power you can decrease, dy by dx. Then y is equal to a to the power of x, then means what, dy by dx what you will get, implies dy by dx what you will get, a power x into log e. One thing you can remember in throughout your life, in differentiation integration I will use logarithm base e only, log base e something. So means what? Natural logarithm. In differentiation integration you can use natural logarithm. If other than e means what? You can change to e, then you can attack the problem. Other you cannot. Without e you cannot solve differentiation integration. Throughout your engineering life or whatever maybe, you can use the +1 +2 level e only, then only integration for differentiation formula will come. Otherwise you cannot. And another thing, if I write either LOG or L, I am not mentioning the base means what taken for granted its base is E. If I am not mentioning the base means what is taken for granted base E. Other than E base means you have to mention log base 10, log base 2 like this, whatever may be. If I write Ln, Log both are same, but in your calculator actually two different things are there. Log 10 power x, that is base 10. Then you will have Ln e to the power x. This is not natural. While writing, if you write Log or Ln, if you don't mention the base means what you can taken for granted is what? Base is e. You can remember. Then a power x. dy by dx means what? A power x into log a. Here also same story only, but log e base e 1, so I am not writing e. Getting or not? Then y is equal to log x implies dy by dx is equal to what you will get? 1 by x. Then y is equal to sin x implies dy by dx is equal to what you will get? Cos x. In differentiation, one thing you can remember, in trigonometric functions, circular functions, any term starting with c means you can write blindly minus. Whether you know the answer or not doesn't matter. Y is equal to cos x, differentiation of cos x, minus you can tell and calm down. Y is equal to cosecant x, minus of the formula answer. Y is equal to cot x, minus of. So in circular function means guarantee minus will come. Hyperbolic is different, that is exponential function. So y is equal to sin x means what? Dy by dx is equal to cos x. Similarly, y is equal to cos x means what? Differentiation of cos x you can write minus sin x. Dy, I told you any term starting with c means what? Minus you will get. This is minus sin x. Y is equal to tan x. Tan x means what you will get? Dy by dx is equal to secant square x. Y is equal to cot x. Then dy by dx is equal to what you will get? Minus cosecant square x. COSEC or CSC, cosecant square x. Actually secant square x means what is the meaning? Secant of x whole square. It's not, we are not able to separate this, but being convenient we are writing secant square means what? Secant of x whole square, not secant square into secant square like this. Okay. Then d cos sin, cos tan. Then y is equal to secant x means what? Dy by dx what you will get? Secant x into tan x. Y is equal to cosecant x or COSEC. So dy by dx what you will get? Minus cosecant x cot x. So trigonometry functions over log. So a lot of inverse functions also there. Then y is equal to sin inverse x. Then dy by dx what you will get? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. See, formulas you can remember throughout your life, whether you are doing problem or that is not different issue, but formula should be you can keep in fingertips. Then y is equal to cos inverse x. Dy by dx what you will get? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Correct or not? Similarly, this may be somewhat, maybe you will feel trouble actually. Once if you know something about differentiation, if you see this lecture, maybe it will be very useful. some stage they won't give up to inverse. Basic formulas, then will go inverse. Once something if you know means what, you can come and attack means what you will say. Then y is equal to, basically I am telling universally, I am giving you a note. Suppose something if you know, suppose if you feel I know in differentiation means what, come and see, you will enjoy with this lecture. Basically means what, just if you don't know means what, leave that formula, while doing the problem you will understand. Y is equal to tan inverse x, then what you will get, dy by dx 1 by 1 plus x square. Y is equal to cot inverse x, then implies dy by dx what you will get, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly we have y is equal to secant inverse x, implies dy by dx what you will get, 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Then y is equal to cosecant inverse x, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x into root of x square. Similarly hyperbolic functions are there, I don't want to give now, later I will give. Then not only that, some important formulas you can remember. Suppose y is equal to root x, dy by dx you can remember as a 1 by 2 root x, that is x power n formula only, half will come front side, half minus 1. Suppose y is equal to 1 by x power 7 means what, x power minus 7. This how can you write, actually this power you can write in numerator minus 7, increase 1 power, that is numerator there is no function, purely 1 by x power 7, 1 by x plus 10. Suppose 1 by x power 11, what you will do, this dy by dx how you will write, minus 11, increase 1 power. So when it is provided numerator there is no function of x, purely constant means you can do like this is also same stone only, minus 11 come front side, minus 11 minus 1 minus 12, so minus 11 x into x to the power of minus 12. If I bring down means what, minus 11, correct or not? So this is the way I am doing. So lot of things are there, time being will stop, then wait, no, then we can give some product rule. Later we can, this is a somewhat okay important I hope. Then next lecture we can go for product rule and problems. Bye. Thank you. Kindly subscribe our channel to make live our channel. When soon we are going to start actually live stream. We can be directly going to take classes. It will be take some time. Soon we can start. We hope we will enjoy there. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.